dahil may buhay. Ligaya ko'y nang ako'y isilang. Pagkatao ay mayroong dangal. Sino may pag-ibig nagmamahal, kundi ang tao. Diyos ang pinagmulan, kundi ako umibig, kundi ko mabigyang halaga ang buhay kong handog. Ang buhay kong hirap sa Diyos, kundi ako nagmamahal. Sino ako? Hirap sa Diyos ang aking buhay. Ikaw at ako'y tanging handog lamang. Di ko ninais na ako'y isilang, ngunit salamat dahil may buhay. Ligaya ko'y nang ako'y isilang. Pagkatao ay mayroong dangal. Sinong may pag-ibig, sino nagmamahal, kundi ang tao. Diyos ang pinagmulan, kundi ako umibig, kundi ko mabigyang halaga ang buhay kong handog. Ang buhay kong hirap sa Diyos, kundi ako nagmamahal. Sino ako? Kundi ako nagmamahal. Sino ako? For such a place quietness and trust. When the oceans rise and time is wrong, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the land, and I will be still, know you are God. My grace, my song, in Christ alone. Know His power in quietness and trust. When the oceans rise and time is wrong, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the land, and I won't be still, know you are God. When the oceans rise and time is wrong, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the land, and I will be still, know you are God. And I will be still, know you are God. Life is not at all done, but my friend, oh, if you believe in yourself, if you believe there's someone who walks life with you, you'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll show you the way. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. When you feel the world is tumbling down on you, and you have no one that you can hold on to, just face the rising sun. you'll see home, and there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll make you feel alright. And He said, "Cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest." And He said, "Cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. Come to me, and I will give you rest."
Ayan, dagita nga praise song. Ngayon sagot mi kada kayo. Kit mapang kami nga ro din kada iti Ilocano, kaya request. Dagimit apo nga request, mabalin nyo nga isurat iti nadalos nga papel. Ayan, maya-maya po yung mga dancers natin. Kararating lang po kasi nung isa kasi galing pa yan sa school. Ayan, naka-live po tayo ngayon sa ating Facebook page, Sonata Away Band. Ayan.
Di mo ipasaba na sakit ngay kikita. Di na kalikudan punasen kay tadwa-dwa taag palawag kagman. Tikit na pudno na tunggal kasangay mo, siya kay di makaina. Apo kay ti gusto at kaasibay mo, nga aglalailuken ka. Atong nagkurangan, kauray laeng nusura, di ka masupalitan. Hindi na kaya asawin, nga awan ka dito'y nakin, kurangan lang panawin. No iso pagkunaan, adikan ay ayanin. daytoy met tilaglagipen di ka kuman sinubyana ya kuman at pagpakita ganyak kaya't ngay ka masagdan
Sonata di awal
kuranga na uray laeng nusurat di kang masubalita yan di na kaya asaw nga awan kang dito'y nake kurang aklat panawe no isot pagkunaan adikan ay ayate daytoy met tilaglagipe di ka kuman sinubyana ya kuman ang pagpakita ganyak kaya ngayon ka masagdan ya kuman ang pagpakita ganyak kaya ngayon ka masagdan
Agsang-sangi Kakailan Day taluan Maaman Arubos Kada kita Na'y mata Hunaset sublipay nga tao aming apisa hingkubos ko aming idang hintod sikat ay matay kapulan at tutino Sadiay tanan mo Hanggang rapi abad batayan ka daw rabi aban bantayan ka. Kaya't ko kumakit ka ay puno sikap ka ngayon harap pa ako kaya't di kanto mapukaw ito'y labing ko sabihin naman iti ayang mubya ko kaya't ko kumakit ka nga'y puno sikap ka ngayon di harap pa ako kaya't di ganto mapukaw dito'y labing ko oray pa'y aglabas ikawin ikaliket ka gasika sikalain di ka masusuro at daakton ijay tanim pugno ikariken ka ng sikalain di ka masursuro biyak ko alipatin muray pa'y at daakong ijay tanim muray pa'y at daakong ijay tanim dinawag ko nawatan nagayan ken ka disumbat mo ket nalawa awan ko lang na ibaga kanya dalawa apar buklaeng disumbat mo na nakita akapoy tuyog mo dalawa apar buklaeng disumbat mo na nakita akapoy tuyog mo iyay ayatin di nasakit akin na awang bibiyang ko di pagtuyusan awan gaya mo di ka parparbukit gayong gay kaya dinamag ko nawatan agayat ken ka disumbat mo ket nalawa awan ko lang maibaga kanya dalawa apar buklaeng disumbat mo na nakita akapoy tuyog mo kapoy tuyog mo iyay ayatem iyay ayatem iyay ayatem iyay ayatem iyay ayatem
Ayan, pagsalain tayo man po, dagitoy dancers tayo. Ayan, na nakasukat dan. When?
Apo excited damit nga mangkita ka dagitoy dancers mi.
All my love, and I love you more each day. And there's no one to take my heart away from you. But will you please love me, baby? Love me the way I do. Promise me, yeah, you love me too. I just can't live alone without you in my life. Then I will cry, cry, cry. I just can't live alone without you in my life. Biyawat ko pag-inom ko, dami ko, inom ko. Maski sine, mapedata, mapasina. Paray na kwanto, abay na panawan. Pataya mo pag-ito ko, itapag yun. Gusto kang laman. Ganuin nga nga panawan, nakapingang mabatang. Abay amoy matolay, Numuwag ka manikalay. I gave you all my love, and I love you more each day. And there's no one can take my heart away from you. But will you please love me, baby? Love me the way I do. Promise me, yeah, to love me too. She wrote me today that you won't come back to stay, that she only comes to be of her clothes. She wrote I must not cry, that the love for me has died, but she found somebody else, I suppose. Do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be alone. won't be here no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue, baby blue, baby blue. Do you know that I'm still here? Now I know that you won't be here no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue.
Oh, another country music. You said the flowers for no reason at all. You say each God I ever said. Who remembers everything about the day we met? If you wonder on who sentimental on you, sentimental on you, I love you just the way you are. Sentimental on you, I need you like the night I need the stars. You're the kind of dreamers that dreams bring apart to. And whenever you do, don't change. Sentimental on you. You quite sick to movies, thinking I don't see. And the love still turns. We could make the Christmas time comes away too soon. If you wonder out who sentimental on you, sentimental on you, I love you just the way you are. Sentimental on you, I need you like the night I need the stars. You're the kind of dreamers that dreams big apart to. And whenever you do, don't change. Sentimental on you. And I woke this morning, imagine my sunrise on my pillow, facing the yellow rose. A smile back when I read the card, the tears fill my eyes. That's the only way that you can say goodbye. You could not tell me to my know how love away. Why did you leave a single young home rose? You could not tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single young home rose. Yes, you said goodbye with a single young home rose.
Bislak.
At danobiyang anataya ay ako nakaamamang, nuromansa ay nagganas, kanayon na naiyabla, nagkil di pamaginga, matyawa mo ang punada, arik na paitay bambanti, as ar-arya itira biki. At nanobiyong anatayan ay ako nakaamama, nuromansa ay nagganas, kanayon nga iyabla, dagkel ti pamagina, matyawa mo ang kunada, arik na paitay bambanti, as ar-arya itira bigi. Anyan abis lang, anyan abis lang, nagmayaten abis lang, anyan abis lang, anyan abis lang, nagdakilit abis lang, anyan abis lang, anyan abis lang, adatanay humagat, nagsakitin ti ablan, tay bislak ay maulawan. Hey!
Sige. Handa pa naglingit.
At danobiyang anatayan ay ako nakaamamak, nuromansa ay nagganas, kanayon na maiyabla, dagkel ti pamagina, matyawa mo ang kunada, haring na paitay bambanti, as na ar-arya itira bigi. Anyan abis lang, anyan abis lang, nagmayaten abis lang, anyan abis lang, anyan abis lang, nagdakiling abis lang, anyan abis lang, anyan abis lang, at datanay kumagat, nagsakitin ti ablan, tay bislak ay maunawa, nagsakitin ti ablan, tay bislak nakagangganas.
Maganda na ganda, naawang pa'y asawa,
Oh, talaga magbay?
masikugak sa
Ano ba rumit nga rin ison?
dem awan met saranga, organista met kami.
Oh, diba?
Tingin ng sinarsara.
Wish
Yang
107.5.
ada lakay. Anong personada kanya? Yan nalatawin. Naingkam nagsara.
Apa?
Nalalangsak na pa'y captain. Itanta na asawa na. Agpabasol pa'y naro. Nananagsakit kaya. Mapapausan ako. Naanda baby na. Nagpaaramid ako. Itikrip Apollo. Gimana nga pa'y candy. Itimon-munyek ang ato sana na. Naisumet ita. Itinuliwa ko. Ngam anya painitan. Di mama ay na. Nabakita ng beste. Nang sawa. Tarik-tarik man. Bigat mali. Kinagsama. Uray uko pagpay. Patukul tayo arado na. Istorya tepot-tepaw. Napapausan ako. Naada baby na. Napaaramid ako. Itikrip anara. Gimana nga pa'y krepti. Itimon mong leka. Taksumet ita. Itiliw-liwa ko. Anya pangaitan. Di mama ay na. Nabakita ng beste. Nang sawa. Tarik-tarik man. Sama. Uray upo pagpay. Matukol tayo arado na. Uray upo pagpay. Matukol tayo arado na.
Nakatanggap ako ng sulat mula sa amin. Nakalarawan doon ang marami kong alaala. At bigla akong lumuha dahil ako'y sabik na sa lalawigan ko minumutya. Naghihintay pa rin ang irog ko doon sa amin. Mga magulang na may nag-aalala sa amin. Umasilayan ko malaman bundok para at batis. Gumagaan ang hirap ko at masakit. Awitin ko'y makaway na sa tuyag ng aking kapuspusan. Sa piling mo, Sierra Madre, kantungan mo'y lagi hinahanap. natitirang pag-asa sa aking mga pangarap. Kaya't kung mayroon man nakikinig sa aking damdamin, ay dalhin mo na ang awit ko sa amin. Awitin ko'y mag-away na sa duyan ng aking kamusmusan. Sa piling mo, o Sierra Madre, kantungan mo'y laging hinahanap. Kantungan mo'y laging hinahanap. Kantungan mo'y laging hinahanap. For each moment of tears, I still have my souvenirs. There is a bucket full of dreams. I could hold, I could feel, kept pretending they were real. Long time after lovers fade away, now a picture of you I cherish so true. Even kissed till I'd see you again. But when I've been crying today, through my memories away, something done as I cry for my broken souvenirs. As I reach for the sun, find a place I belong. Now you're one of my broken souvenirs. If you need me again, there's no way you really can. Base and pieces never make a whole. And if you leave your room on some windy afternoon, try to see where all the pieces flew. It was hard to get on since my memories were gone. But if you ever see me again, I've been crying today, through my memories away. Something done as I cry for my broken souvenirs. As I reach for the sun, find a place I belong. Now you're one of my broken souvenirs. Now you're one of my broken souvenirs.
He doesn't know that I've been looking in eyes. Or that I could sleep, oh, I stop telling lies. I hope you taste that of just beauty and cry. For when our love was really lies. One second while I'm crying here away. The feeling was more than I could take. Though it was wrong, tell me these songs and sing so right. When another fell loving last night. Yes, another fell loving last night. I almost forgotten what love was really like. But I'm only human, only human. I let another man love me last night. Silent sheets to lie on, satin pillows to cry on. I'm not happy if you see that big long Cadillac tailors made upon my back. Still, I want you to set me free. I find another man who can give whatever you can. Though you've given me everything money can buy. But your money can hold me tight like he does in a long, long night. You know you didn't give me satisfied. Satin sheets to lie on, satin pillows to cry on. Still, I'm not happy, don't you see? Big long Cadillac, tailors made upon my back. Still, I want you to set me free. Satin sheets to lie on, satin pillows to cry on. Still, I'm not happy, don't you see? Big long Cadillac, tailors made upon my back. Still, I want you to set me free. Would you look? I walk it down.
the trembling hands of me. Well, don't stop if this ain't where you want to be. I don't know what you think you're running through. Hey, pass me by if you're only passing through. No, I'm not gonna be your stepping stone among the other heart that you walk on. Well, Lord, help me if I fall in love with you. Hey, pass me by if you're only passing through. You sure you like the trembling hands of me? Well, don't stop if this ain't where you want to be. I don't know what you think you're running through. Hey, pass me by if you're only passing through. Oh, pass me by if you're only passing through.
Maturay mi diawat ang pati nga make up yun.
Waday sari balasa naknaki ang amuan Isa'y baloy kagabaho Kay dumay pintas na sino man ay lalaki Dabusay mangorsan natin Tinaynaksi siya kang simaakabe Siya'y latay wadas na tempo Adi ang malinglingan sang panagis isaw na Yasang mata ay umilang Rito sa sabong na imulas ang bakong na banglo pintas Noeda tapitin Noeda Manila Malasipe Besanta Adet baho hasagenak sika sa inakit pan gardina wadat san rason ko mabantayak sika sa imay muna Sabong na imulas ang kahong na banglo yan ang pintas Noeda et tapitin Noeda et Manila bajong na banglo yan ang pintas no daet kapitin daet Manila manasipin kasanda. Today who said it's up to you. Not so long ago, think a month or two. As my eyes race back in time, I pray the Lord, don't let it show. He thinks I'll forget you 15 years ago. 15 years ago and I still feel the same. Why did he have to mention your name? I was broken up inside as if it's been a week or so. Take some mighty strong love to be thinking of a girl he hasn't seen since 15 years ago. I've got a lovely wife who thinks the world of me. Promise her my love through eternity. I've tried hard to make her happy, and so far she doesn't know I can shake this thing of 50 years ago. 50 years ago and I still feel the same. Why did he have to mention your name? I was broken up inside as if it's been a week or so. Take some mighty strong love to let the real love of your mind. I know I've tried since 15 years ago.
Hello, so. Ayan, nagita po ti country music, ayan. Nagjiya po kaya tate ag-request, mabalila ta po, pakisurat lang po ti na list nga papel, ayan.
The way they say goodbye, or maybe it just hurt so bad she couldn't cry. He bucket sticks, walked out the door and drove away, and she became the girl from yesterday. Took a plane across the sea and some foreign land. He stayed at home and tried so hard to understand how someone who had been so close could be so far away. And she became the girl from yesterday. She doesn't know what's wrong. She doesn't know what's wrong. She only knows the pain that comes from waiting for so long. And she doesn't count the teardrop that she cried will ease away. Because she knows deep in her heart that we'll be back someday. So I turn in the window, she's waiting by the phone, talking to a memory that never coming home. She'll give a peace returning everything that you must say. But she always be the girl from yesterday. Yeah, she always be the girl from yesterday. So easy 'cause it's all slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about it all day long. I'm quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over right ahead in mind. Open up the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on the soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about it so long. Never felt a feeling quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Yes, to be your man. Above nobody, the way down of you. We're alone now, you don't know how, don't know what to do. Open up the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on the soul slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about it all day long. Never felt a feeling that was quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Yes, to be your man. It turns me on just to be your man. That matter most of all. But if we ever break your heart, if the teardrops ever start, I'll be there before the next teardrops fall. Si ti quieren de verdad y te da felicidad, te deseo lo más bueno para los dos. Pero si te hacen llorar, a mí me puedes hablar. Estaré contigo cuando triste estás. I'll be there anytime you leave me by your side to drive away every teardrop that you cried. If the ever leaves you blue, just remember
Ayun, ulitin ka po, dagay may tapo nga request, mabalin yung isurat iti nadalos nga papel. Ayun, shout out pala kay Mayor Nel, ayan, ng Jones. Ayun, susunod yung yung guest singer natin.
Beneath still waters, there's a strong undertow. The surface won't tell you what the deep water knows. Darling, I'm sailing, I know something's wrong. Beneath still waters, your love is gone. Even a fool could see that you still believe in me, but it's in every heart must take its turn of misery, and this time it's me, and I cry alone beneath still waters. Your love is gone. That you so believe in me, but it's in every heart must take its turn of misery, and this time it's me, and I cry alone beneath still waters. Your love is gone. Beneath still waters, your love is gone. I saw you at the bar, you always took my time, and now I can't believe you're here with me. Remember back in school, how we broke the rules. between us to forever. Never ending love to one, just you and me together. You gave me all your love, and I give you my heart, like moon and stars above. We know we never part. Never ending love to one, between us to forever. Never ending love to one, just you and me together. I only want to say I do it all today. I'll never change a moment spent with you. I look around and see you are the one for me. My love for you will always be so true. Never ending love to one, between us to forever. Never ending love to one, just you and me together. You gave me all your love, and I'll give you my heart, like moon and stars above. We know we never part. Never ending love to one, between us to forever. Never ending love to one, just you and me together.
Ayan, pakantahin na nga natin yung guest singer na nire-request nila. Request daw ni Kapitan. Request daw ni Apo Kapitan nga agkanta ni Rosemary Respicio. Mukhang may nananalo na dun ah. Sino po si Rosemary Respicio? Ayan, halika na po. Jamming-jamming tayo. Naku, kakaya yatang tumabi ang saksi niya. Kantayin mo, ma'am. Meron ba tayong hindi ko nga po alam? Hindi po ano ang kakanta? Tagalog, English, Ilocano, Tagalog. Request daw ni Kapitan. Lang nakapanbok sa akin. Pero ano bang kanta? Wala akong maisip ako. English. Pinamalat pa naman ako. Yung mababa lang. Ano kasi mga panduan na yan. Ang panot na kanta na timapanot mo ng i-respond pa na kanta.
Ito na lang ate, pero tulungan mo
Ano
ako.
yan?
Pagka medyo nahihirapan ako. Ay, ito muna. Ito muna.
I have you. Okay.
I have you.
Good evening po. Pasensya na po kayo sa boses ko.
I have always been a dreamer, had visions of my own. I was born to belong to the lights of a soul and make them my home. I believe in happy endings, till I only know the few. For what's rare was the art, like a bright falling star, I found one in you. As all the world can seem so friendless, and the road ahead so endless, and the dream so far away. Sometimes when I'm almost to surrender, then I stop and I remember I have you to save my day. Often my imagination has me reaching out too far. When I felt you were there, with your hand in the air, you knew from the start. Sometimes after all you've done to save me, through the love you freely gave me, every step along the way. Sometimes people ask what keeps me going, and it truly comes from knowing I have you to save my day. Sometimes feeling helpless when I held you, wishing words would come to tell you I have you to save my day.
Kapag na ito, may kondo. Meron sa'yo? Hindi, meron din sa guitar. Hindi ko pa na-i-face.
Kaya naman.
Sometimes
say what they are. Maybe sometimes love just ain't enough. Maybe sometimes love just ain't enough. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. Ma'am Rosemary. Pagsasarunuin tayo nagiyay i-request dan nga guest singer. Ngam nalipatak gayam nga imbaga nga dagiyay ag guest singer kay agbayad ditoy ti 50 pesos kada kanta. Charot lang. Ayan. Susunod na guest singer is Rich Delgado. Ayan. Ma'am Rich Delgado. Apokit makaornong kami ano kada guest singer kay adabayad na iya. Ano ma'am? Mili na lang kayo dyan kung anong gusto niya. Ayan yung mga ganyan. Kanta niya yun. Remember us.
That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets try to write. We don't know how to write, but don't we try? But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that's you will never die. So when I'm all choked up, but the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way.
Thank you po.
Ayan, tinatawagan namin si Sir Ken. Ayan. Para sa duet song. Ayan, nasa na po si Sir Ken? Ayan. Hindi na po kayo dito.
If I ever fall in love.
Pwede ba umupo? Naiyak
Uy, hindi. Dito ka. Dito ka.
I know you're everything that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes thinking that I ask for more.
Sometimes prepare to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to move me through, though I don't know when. And if I ever fall in love again,
Guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yeah, you just trust in me. I'm sure I'll come around.
when you hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms I feel I'm ready now to cry. So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with
It's
you.
gonna be
You're the one to pull me through, so I don't know when. But if I ever fall in love again,
be a fool to ever let you go.
you're the best thing in my life. When I know I gotta take it slow.
babalik daw po. Sir Ken, di ba nag-solo si ma'am, magsusolo din si sir. Isa pa daw po, ayan. Yan, palakpakan naman natin si Sir Ken. Yan Falling in Love with a Dreamer. Duet song. Ate, adahan niya Majay? Adahan niya?
When she lays with me, I stay awake at night and play my songs. And sometimes all the night can be so long. It escapes when I finally make it home. All alone, when she lays with me, I try to get undressed without delay. In a quietly she said, how I should have. In a come to you and said, it was alright. And I offered time. And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. I told her someday, if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little song. I was one, but she has been in me, and so I go on trying painfully. And who knows, maybe on some special night, if my song is alright, I will find the way, while she lays with me. I stumble to the kitchen for a bite. Then I see my own guitar in the night, just waiting for me like a secret friend. And there's nothing while she lays quiet. I tumble with the melody of sin. Then I turn between the things that I should do. Then she says, wake around when I am through. Oh, God, that was me. And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. I told her someday, if she wasn't my girl, I could change away, washing away, washing away for me. Thank you.
Yes. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Ayan, meron pa pong gustong mag-guest singer? Wala na. Ayan, tinatawagan po namin si Sir Eddie Bangloy. Ayan, nawawagan niya po ni Sir Eddie Bangloy. May kain, kuya. Ay, kami na lang po. Ayan, ang requested song, Blue Bayou. Ay, adaptoy ni Sir. Si kamit kaya maaji, Sir. Uy, anak ka time, Sir. Kaya po, ano pong gusto niyo po? Love song? Ano pong love song? Count on you? Count on you, Sir? Ano bang mga kanyo, Sir? Kani Rogers din? Ryan? Count on you, Sir? Minamahal. Minamahal. Freddy Aguilar. Yan na lang. Wala akong maisip. Hindi pa. Minamahal. Yan na lang, sige. Wala akong maisip na ano.
yakap mong anong sarap, ang iyong mga mata nangungusap. Ba't ikaw ay kapili, nalilimot ang sarili, sana'y huwag nang matapos ang gabi. Lulubog, lilitaw ang buwan at araw, patuloy pa lalagad ang panahon. Ako'y magmamahal sa'yo, hindi ito magbabago. Pag-ibig ko'y laging laalaman sa'yo. Minamahal, minamahal lilitaw ang buwan at araw, maging panahon. Mamahal sa'yo, laging laan lamang sa'yo. Minamahal kita. Minamahal kita.
Ayan, maraming salamat po.
Asan yung ano, papel kanina, Jenny?
Ayan, under requested song, Blue Fire. I feel so bad, I got a worried mind. I'm so lonesome all the time. Since I left my baby behind, all knew about you. Saving nickels, saving dimes, working till the sun don't shine. Looking forward to happier times, all knew about you. I'm going back someday. I'm what I used to bloom for you. When the folks so far and the world is mine, I'll do for you. When there's fishing boats with the sails of logs, if I could only see that familiar sunrise, so simply I so happy I'll be. Gotta see my baby again. Gotta be with some of my friends. Maybe I feel better again on the you. Saving nickels, saving dimes, working till the sun don't shine. Looking forward to happier times on the you. I'm going back someday. I'm amazed to bloom for you. When the folks are fun and the world is mine, I'll do for you. When it's fishing boats and the sail Ayan, natapos i-request ng Blue Bar.
Sometimes love, sometimes this love, you know. I don't want mystery. Request.
Okay, nakaretak siya dagi dancer tayon. Losawin tayo man dagi make up dan. Charot. A requested song, dalayap na sa line dagi to dancers. Dito ni ang paparawak ni. Kaya na? Ha? Dalayap. Balsa yan. Sige dito.
Kay dinungdamo, ngayon ka masirpan, as kamalatay dalaya, manangal siyang kaniyak, nasa ginawbiyag ko, mantay ka ayarigat, nudi kang mapurus, patay pagtungkalan. Anong wet na pintas mo, nakikingot ka munay, ibet mo na yung sanik kwang, patay, agayat kaitan, nakasasaniyo ang pay, yatangay ang tuyak, ngatari gagay. Goodbye dinungdamo, nahin ka masirpa, as kamalatay dalaya, manangal siyang kaniyak, nasa ginawbiyag ko, matay ka ayarigak, nudi kang mapurus, patay pagtungkalan. Anong wet ka pintas mo, nakikingot din munay, imet mo na yung sanik kwang, patay, agayat kaitan, nakasagsaniyo ang pay, yatangay ang tuyak, ngantari gagay. Anong renta pintas mo, nakikingot ka munay, ibet ko man ay saling kwang, nuduteng patay, agayat kaitan, nakasagsaniyo ang pay, yatangay ang tuyak, ngagkari gagay. Yatangay ang tuyak, ngagkari gagay.
May isa kayo balse, runotin tayo mati make up dali to dancers. Namalbaliwet di tiyampo, nasa detendi di pamparo, nanungiti nagagenda ka trabaho, kasko na nilelang ko, nanulitan mamalindit di magkaampo, at muristikada agarado, kaadwan ng diyak si senyorito, aging babak ng kada ang pagwapo. Namalbaliwet nga ang paiso, di ugaling di pamparo, kaadwan na itang timang at pisyo, padang sugal ket at sigarilyo, at ang kayet ang garito sa bambaro. Ako namlang musik siguro, kung agarwat tawang na malalugin, awan kwartada uray sensilyo. Ano itan, ibarong ano kayo ah.
At sarita dakit as lapuno kaadwan namin iniluluko di dang trabaho no di dang matandanan lumamandaan ingartan no ayabang itipanganan ay alis to dang ang maayaban manuitan di barong anatak nengan kaadwan na kita maparot itayaan manubayan itan mabarot pag mabartikan manuitan di barong ananak nengan kaaduan na kita mabarot itayaan manumayan itan di barong ikatanunan di kaaduan na kita mabarot pag mabartikan kaaduan na ito mabarot pag mabartikan.
Lakay, iti kayat ko.
May apay kay lakay.
Lakay, iti biyang ko. Lakay, tinagsak ko. Iso, di kapalay ko. Robos, apang patangkot. Iso, dalasan na. Noon tuman, ang yan natakot na.
Bukit na ito.
Ang patiwer-wer, noon tumirada. Napig sa metay, ang lumailo. Napig sa metay, na ang hinawin di presko. Nubumisong ang sarap sa pumanil, pero sumipam. Muray lang na ang ganangsa. Aglalakay pinagabay Dikis mo sa akarnuba
Adoda
Awan, di bibiyang yun Sumabog tayo be Di lang kaya malo Ay,
Naka-green.
well Bas! Lakay, iti hayat mo. Lakay, iti biyag mo. Lakay, tinagsak ko. Isukap ka palay ko. Agas, apang papigsa. Kalasan na Noon tumar Anyan natakit na At patiwer-wer Noon tumirada Napig sa mentay Lumakino Napig sa mentay Na ang hinawin di presko Nung gumisong ang sarap sa pumanir Pero sumipam Ulay lang na ang ganamsam Lalakay ang lalakay Lunani matay ketnaray At lalakay kunanipay At gismo sa karnuma Awan, di bibiyang yun Sumabog tayo di lang kaya kalbo Another best song
Ada nakita. Kalbo.
Nay apay, at dito ka per kita pinagbubalda jay ulo jay aliputag ng nana jay iwan jay kapiagdardara apay-apay bakit ko na nagtatakunin kakakaasin di alibot ko andyan nga ulit mo apay ang tulong mo graman jay ulo isang pinalipit mo Basal mo ulang ay sumbat hinanan ko Apa'y pinalisip ang nagtatarakin ko Taday kay nagkapit mabisin mo na yan Hinasige alibot na tarapet mo Apay-apay bakit ko na nagkakapun Pagkakasig ay di alibot ko Andyan nga ulit mo apay tulog ko Graban kayo low Oh sige ulo Gura ka ba? Umong? Pero mimon ka talaga mga nagkipot mo una dyan ulo mo Isa't pinalipit mo Basal mo una kay sumatina ng kuha Pa'y pinalusot ang pinagtarapin mo Nagay kayo magkapit mabisin mo na yan Hinasige alibot at tarapin mo Apay-apay bakit ko na nitatangkuin Nagtakasig ay kay alibot ko Andyan nga ulit mo apay nagtulog ko Yaman dyan ulo Nalaing damot ayan At yung may sakit na kip Api nagpirmi mo nagkipit friend O nga mo basit Ano tay? One Isa't pinalipit mo Basal mo ulang kay sumakinadang ko Apay pinusot ang di tatarakin mo Tatay ko'y magkapit mabigsin unay Hinaasipin alibot at tarakyan mo Oh! Nalpasal
Bulan sikat mangipanik-panik Ikarim-karimi anang kasanik Laming kristi ablaw-law Isip pang pasikit Nabukel nga ayat Napno disamit Di bulan anabileg Sikat pang pangayeg Di patik-patik ni alang kasanay Kaya mitra niya ko mo Nagsilaw di patik Nga di agado Oras man di dumteng Tapon mo inarak-karakin Bibilig ni ayat at-dar-darin matuwin Pangubok ka atun Kabailan at umpain Natigger sinapukno Now saragamin Mangipanik-inig, ikarin-karinig, anak kasanig, lamigis di aglaw-law, isip mga pasikid, nabukil nga ayat, nabnut isang bilig. Di bulan anabilig, sikat magpakayig, ipatik-patik mi, anak kasanig, iarik mitrani ako mo, di ako pasadong mo, nagsilaw di patik, nga di agmudo. Oras man di dumeng, napunoy narak-rakin, di bilig ni ayat at tartari batuin. Panglubok na adun, kabaila na tungkain, natin kerte na puno, ng saragamin. Oras man di dumeng, napunoy narak-rakin, di bilig ni ayat at tartari batuin. Panglubok na adun, kabaila na tungkain, natin kerte na puno, ng saragamin. Natin kerte na puno, ng saragamin. Dinggim mo blanco, dinggim ko'y bagat, ay ayatin ka, basta kaming naniyaga. Dinggim ko'y aso, piling ko'y puso, nabayag na itin, adita na dindilig. Dinggim ko'y gutom, gutom ko'y puso, aw-awagan na ka, dinggim ka dinala. Umay-gan ko'y sibay, pusok mo ay bayabay, tatlo maetipam, iligid senaan. Iliwin tigariliyuni, ayat kinamdamu, inairot na arapo, babuyugan tiyan sa sum. Iliwin kiti, agad na samsam, metyang tagapulot, asabayam tiap pangkurut, apapiras di bukbukot. Iliwin tiareng-eng, magkikiling itilapayag, umaigang na biyag mo, mainiwak ko na hindi. Dinggim mo biyag ko, dinggim ko'y bagat, ay ayatin ka, basta kamit kaniyak. Dinggim ko'y aso, piling ko'y puso, nabayag laitin, adita na dindilig. Dinggim ko'y gutom, gutom ko'y puso, aw-awagan na ka, dinggim ka dinala. Umay-gan ko'y sibay, pusok ko may bayabay, tapos maetipam, iligid senay. Iliwin tigariliyuni, ayat kinamdamu, inairot na arapo, babuyugan tiyan sa sum. Agad na samsam, metyang tagapulot, at sabayang tiap pangkurut, apapiras di bukbukot. Ililiwin tiareng-eng, magkikiling itilapayag, umaigang na biyag ko, mainiwak ko na ikenkan. Ililiwin tigariliyuni, ayat tinamdamu, inairot na arapo, babuyugan Agad na samsam at nagdagapulod at sabay ang tiyap ng kurot at papiras ni Bukod. Umilayek nga rin yuni ay at tinagdamo Inairot ng arako pabuyog at tigasaso. Umilayek iti agad na samsam at nagdagapulod at sabay ang tiyap ng kurot at papiras ni Bukod. At sabay ang tiyap ng kurot at papiras ni Bukod. Balasa na ikaw ang sa ditaywan Injek ka na yung awan Isutin na simorotan Singgit na abalayan Nakarsarikang sisinsinan Tumet ang inabakram Na di gamit nagkawatan Nagtingan di pa nagsimpan Ibaruken balasang Katitan sa ipakatan Pansalatay at kumita Ipulot sa mga katalang Nagpulpuligos din sa gunan Arya-arya abalayang Ingat umunta doang ima. Bilangan ikatugangan Unang numas kasiguruan Musik na tayak parang-parang Saan lata ang magibibiyang Nadali o ba't sa nunan Ikis na pagkamakam Ala-aryang abalayan Ikis na pagkamakam Ala-aryang abalayan. Love, we'll have fun here tomorrow. Do your best, Mr. Love. I'll be waiting till then. Don't you know, Mr. Love, I can take all this sorrow. So if you have the time, you'll be mine once again. Please, please, please me to love. Where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, please, please me to love. Bring me back home to me. Yesterday was so fine. He'd been walking beside me, and he said he'll be mine till the day we both die. But he left me last night, and my heart broke inside me.
Santos. Ayun, pagbigyan mo man dito yung request ni kusinero ka no. Raise your love on me. Raise your love on me. Request na gitiya. Nagagagit nga kusinero.
Maybe you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walk away. I've been watching you walk with me with the teardrops in your eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you. And the time was it, I'll be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Saw you in the corner on the moments I walk in. Saw your lonely face across the room. Though I won't forget if the way it might have been. Why did you have to leave so soon? You know I hate to think that someone couldn't hurt someone like me. And the time like this, I'll be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. How long must I wait for the last train to leave here and the last chance to go on? Got the thing that I was born to sow. Just didn't know how much to begin. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while.
Apo tinaawat mo nga request dito yung guest singer ka, no? Ni Apo SB Jan Sabeniano. Ayan. Ni Apo SB. Dati kang kanta atin ako eh. Hello, sir.
Duet tayo?
Ano po?
Yung Sinta.
Sige. Sinta daw. Yung kumakain ng bukotag ko pa. Babalatan ayam.
Pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Wala kang ko rito para hindi ko alam eh. Masyadong kabisado. Hello. Di baling sintonado basta mapalagsak tayo digding agapoy ah. Di ba na?
Sing tamis ng wine, sing tatak ng sunshine.
Tunghayan mo sana ang aking pagsinta.
Langit ng puso ko o ang pag-ibig mo, sinta. Nananaginip ng gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusuminghing damdamin, kahit halik lang ang akin. Nababaliw ako sa'yo, bawat silak mo ng puso ko, sa isang sulok na lang umiibig sa'yo. Sinta,
Tangin mo ang puso ko, laging tapat sa'yo.
masdan mo ang labi ko na uuhaw sa iyo, sinta. Nananaginip ng gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusumidhing damdamin, kahit halik lang ang akin. Nababaliw ako sa'yo, bawat silak mo ng puso ko, sa isang sulok na lang umiibig sa'yo.
Pagpaspasensya niyo po sila po ha. Pagpalagpag kayo na po. Thank you, thank you. Tangin mo ang puso ko, laging tapat sa'yo.
Masdan mo ang labi ko na uuhaw sa iyo, sinta. Nananaginip ng gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusumidhing damdamin, kahit halik lang ang akin. Nababaliw ako sa'yo, bawat silak mo ng puso ko, sa isang sulok na lang umiibig sa'yo. Nananaginip ng gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusumidhing damdamin, radio.
Ang galing ni SB. Okay. Tingin tayo mit nga roti solo na. Ayan, nakita ito nga liplipatan ni
Aksip.
Apo SB.
Okay, ibang pininagan natin yung tamalipan ka.
Ano? Apo SB, dyan.
Oo, tamilipatan na ba eh.
Nagrigat ni Hangat Taga Jones.
Mga abang kiti parang yung usol, maninip pa ini.
Oo.
Mga bagmanay na mo. Thank you, thank you. Parang ragsagan tayo lang iti dito nga rabi, iti Batuon family. Actually, kasapulan namin dapat ragsak. Hanga uso iti diliday.
Uy, hanga
Importante
uso.
pag ragsagan tayo dan.
Ken uso pa tata Apo SB no tumaray ka ken agparamid ka ti jingle. Ha?
Para ka gini barang taga barangay usol dati nga kanta ko. When I feel like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know